Cook with Ishi. Hello friends. Welcome to my channel, Cook with Ishi. Today's recipe is of another sweet dessert, and that is Burfi. So let's get started. You should take 2 cups of dry milk powder in a bowl. Then add 1 cup of ghee or butter to the bowl. Then gradually mix it with the help of spoon first and then by hands. Prepare a smooth and moist batter. There should be no lumps. Keep this bowl at a side. Now, let's go for step 2. Now friends, in step 2, you should take a pan and first add 1½ cup of sugar. And then 1 cup of water. Let's turn on the stove. And start stirring on a medium flames. When turned to 1 strand syrup, it means it is ready. Now PLZ turn low the flame. And then add the prepared batter to the pan. Stir it slowly and dissolve in the syrup. It will take a few minutes and then it will turn into a smooth batter. Keep stirring. The batter will convert into a smooth and fluffy texture. And dear friends, this is the desired consistency, which is perfect for the sweet. When you came to know that it is making a ribbon-like shape, so turn off the flame. It will also start to dispatch from the sides of pan. Our batter is ready and now is the time to add some dry fruits. Here I have add some saffrons and melon seeds. You can add these of your choice. Now its last step is to Pour it into the container. Garnish with dry fruits and let it cool completely. Cut in 2 small pieces. You can cut by your own cutting shapes, like triangle or skewer. Look how nicely it has been ready. Enjoy this easy-made sweet recipe with your family and especially kids. Thanks for watching, friends. PLZ, stay connected and subscribe my channel.